What's up, what's up? Welcome to the next video, ep number 4 or 5, don't know where I'm at. You know it runs, because you saw that in the last episode. What are we going to do? I'm going to try and tackle the cages, but Jamie has gone, you need to do these pigtail things. So there it is there, that's take 1. So I think I know what I'm doing now, so I'm going to take 2, and we'll see how much pipe we got. 3, 4, and then we run out. Let's get into it. You won't. Alright, so I'm up to this point right now and I don't even know where to start, how to make a tool or what. I've been told to grab an old catch can and just bend it around it. So I've actually designed something. I've drawn it on a piece of paper over there. I'm going to build one and see if it works. But today I actually ghetto rigged a piece of 4x2, a 3-inch tail shaft, and some condom. So what I did was, I've got a couple of P-clips that I split, so that holds the pipe in position. I've got a bit of rubber and a couple of Tech screws to allow, or to not allow any flex in the pipe. And then when she goes on, I've messed with this one to fit in the car to get all my measurements for take 2, which is amazing. You're welcome. But let me just pop you down for a second. I'll move that out your way. You're welcome. Alright. Now I'll flip the camera around and show you how my little doover works. And I've done some time lapse, so I might do a voiceover and talk you through it. I don't know, let me know if you like the voiceover stuff, because a lot of the things I'm doing takes a long time and buggered if I'm going to sit there and film it all. So let us know down below, first time I've said that, what do you think? Alright, I'll flip you around. So here we go, this is my invention, the Mackie 2000 bender, and I full on ghetto set this up, bit of timber, 3-inch stainless steel tail shaft, and I grabbed some rubber and some Tech screws and tried to keep the main straight piece steady on the actual timber. Then I tried heating it up, doing all sorts of things. This one didn't end up going too good as planned. I kinked it right at the start, but stick with me, we'll get this done. Take 2, I wrapped a bit of rubber around the pipe to give it a little bit of leeway and didn't kink it this time. Then I went over, used the first piece to work out my offset, which also gave me a gauge on how many times I had to circle the pipe, like I'm doing right now, around, so I had a perfect offset from the overflow outlet of the top of the tank. Blown away. It has been a massive day. I had a golf work day. I was up at 2:30 in the morning wondering how I was going to do this curly boy. Got it done. Here you go, there's test number 1. She's done, son. And I reckon I may have had enough to try one more. But that's done. Move on to gauges and all that sort of stuff now. Like, never in my wildest mind I thought I'd be able to do something like this, and I've had people direct me in the right way. I thank you all, but hands-on tools, me 100% amazing. So yeah, chuffed. You don't get it unless you do it, I guess. So it's been a big build, 2 weeks, from running to not running to what you see now. One pumped Mackie. So when this is my tester that was long, I had it tied off here, bloody beautiful. Then I've bent it around there, but I had too much give here and it just kinked. And I tried heating it, pulling it around, but didn't pan out that well. And then I ended up cutting that off too short and I wasn't happy with the angle. So this is what we've left with that. It's all about symmetry. And my stickers, you can't see my stickers now. Thank you very much. Happy bloody Monday. Treat yourself. You won't. Not bad. Good piping size. Okay, it's Tuesday night. Jamie sent out another package. I've just done all the coil packs and toe straps. I didn't film it because I've had some pretty hectic videos with a lot of things going on. So hopefully I didn't bore you too much. This car will be at MotorEx this weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Come down and see me at the Raceworks stand with this beast. Say g'day. You want it? Big shout out to Jamie and Scott at Raceworks. You guys are legends. Jamie, thanks for sitting me down at that little kids table explaining how I had to do everything. To all the other guys, girls, family, you name it, who helped me out just with the tips and tricks along the way. You guys are legends. This car would be nowhere today without my mates, so you guys are legends. And my sexy missus, who lets me spend time in the shed and spend all our money. So thank you, babe. Cheers for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I've got to say that a bit more, try and get the subs up. So push this video hard. I'll see you soon on the next one, where more interesting stuff's coming up. Bigger, better builds than this. Yeah. We'll see how MotorEx goes this weekend. I've got a few people to chat to. I'll see you there. Here's a look at the old original boot and how I had it set up. Bosch 044 surge tank through a Holly Blue pickup with a really well mounted fuel filter.